Visualization and Manifestation, a journey to achieving your dreams. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever imagined achieving something extraordinary and felt it was just within your grasp? Most of us have experienced that fleeting moment when a dream feels so vivid, so real, it almost seems like it's already ours. But how do we turn that feeling into reality? Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of visualization and manifestation. These aren't just abstract concepts. They are practical tools rooted in science and self-discipline. By the end of this presentation, you'll learn how to harness the power of your mind and pair it with intentional action to transform your dreams into your reality. The science behind visualization, seeing success before it happens. Visualization is the act of mentally picturing a desired outcome with clarity and detail. It's more than just daydreaming. It's about focusing your mind to create a clear roadmap for success. When you visualize, your brain activates the same neural pathways as it would if you were actually performing the action. This is why elite athletes often use mental rehearsal to improve their performance. Studies in sports psychology have shown that those who visualize their success alongside physical training achieve better results than those who rely on practice alone. Take a moment to think about one of your goals. Now, close your eyes and picture it in as much detail as possible. Imagine what you see, hear, and feel. For example, if your goal is to deliver an inspiring presentation, visualize the audience's engagement, their applause, and your own sense of pride. This practice doesn't just build confidence, it also prepares your mind and body for the actions needed to achieve your goal. Visualization is like programming your internal GPS to guide you toward success. Manifesting your dreams, turning vision boards into reality. Now that we understand the power of visualization, let's move to a powerful tool, the vision board. A vision board is a collection of images, words, and symbols that represent your aspirations. Think of it as a visual diary of your dreams. Having a vision board keeps your goals top of mind. It channels your focus and energy toward what truly matters. Choose a specific theme, maybe your career, relationships, or health. Find images and words that resonate with your goals. Use magazines, printouts, or even drawings. Assemble everything on a board and place it somewhere you'll see daily. Take the story of a young entrepreneur who placed images of successful companies, inspiring quotes, and financial goals on her vision board. With consistent effort and belief, she turned those images into her reality, launching a thriving business. Vision boards aren't magic. They are tools to focus your thoughts and actions. Paired with hard work, they can keep you on track. How to attract success using the law of attraction. The law of attraction teaches that the energy you emit attracts similar energy in return. In other words, positive thoughts and emotions bring positive outcomes, while negativity invites challenges. Practice gratitude. Begin and end your day by listing things you're grateful for. This shifts your mindset to one of abundance. Use affirmations. Repeat statements like, "I am capable of achieving my dreams," to reinforce belief in yourself. Surround yourself wisely. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Their energy can amplify your own. Maintaining a positive mindset rewires your brain through a process called neuroplasticity. Over time, Optimism and persistence become your default state, helping you to spot and seize opportunities. Manifestation is not about wishful thinking. It requires alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Simply imagining success without putting in the work won't bring results. The law of attraction amplifies your efforts, but depends on intentional, consistent action. Visualization and manifestation are powerful, but they remain dreams without action. As the saying goes, vision without action is merely a dream. Break your goals into manageable steps using the SMART framework. Specific. Define your goal clearly. Measurable. Track your progress. Achievable. Ensure your goal is realistic. Relevant. Align it with your values. Time-bound. Set a deadline. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be fit," set a specific plan like, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week." Start your mornings with meditation or journaling to set your intentions. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Consider Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He visualized his success, believed in his vision, and took relentless action until it became a reality. Success is built through consistent steps. Visualization gives you clarity, and action propels you forward. Let's recap what we've learned. Visualization prepares your mind to achieve success. Manifestation tools like vision boards help focus your energy. The law of attraction aligns your emotions and actions with your goals. Intentional action bridges the gap between dreaming and doing. As you leave here today, remember, the power to shape your future lies in your hands. Visualize it, believe in it, and work toward it every single day. Take one small step today, whether it's creating a vision board, practicing gratitude, or taking action toward a goal. When your vision, mindset, and efforts align, the universe has no choice but to respond. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below.